Did you know that 99% of people who try to use the law of attraction fail? The law of attraction is real, and you can use it to get everything you want. But did you know that 99% of people who try to use the law of attraction fail because they are not using it correctly? The law of attraction is a powerful thing. It's the reason you're listening to this right now, and it's the reason you have everything you do in your life. The law of attraction works in conjunction with what we see and hear. If you're watching news and listening to negative information about money, then you're attracting more money problems into your life, and that's why 99% of people who try to use the law of attraction fail. So how can we use this knowledge to make sure we don't fall into the 99%? It's not enough to just think positive thoughts or chant affirmations. You have to make sure that the things you see and hear are positive, inspiring messages. You should also surround yourself with positive people who are already successful and happy. If you want to attract wealth into your life and spend it watching news and listening to bad information, then that's exactly what's going to happen. You have to be careful with what you see and hear if you want to attract wealth into your life. This way, instead of attracting more bad news into your life, you'll be keeping your attention focused on positive things that will help bring more wealth into your life. It's so simple. Do you want to attract wealth into your life? Then stop watching the news. It's that simple. In my personal experience, I haven't watched the news for 28 years and surrounded myself with people who vibrate just like me. And what I can tell you is that my life has been magic, and it is the life I want everyone to have. When you're surrounded by negativity, you start to feel negative. When you're surrounded by positivity, you start to feel positive. When you're surrounded by people who are in alignment with your values, your life changes for the better. So what do we need? We need each other. We need more people who are willing to put themselves out there and be vulnerable about their struggles and their triumphs, who are willing to go through this world together instead of feeling like they have to do everything on their own all the time because nobody else understands them or cares about what they're going through. We need more people who will choose love over fear every single time, who will choose courage over comfort every single time, who will choose happiness over sadness every single time because our lives are too short not to be happy. It's not always easy to live this way, but it's worth it. You'll feel like you can conquer anything when you're surrounded by people who make you feel good about yourself and who are dedicated to making their dreams come true. I invite you to my magical world. Only you can decide how to live it. Tell me if you are willing to make the change to become an alchemist in your life.